Government of India under the organization Unique Identification Authority of India. My journey officially began in 2009. My full name Aadhar, which means foundation, and trust me, I am the foundation of your identity. Do you need a SIM card? You call me. Are you opening a bank account? You need me. School admission, gas connection, even for exams, everyone say bring Aadhar. I have 12 special numbers, no twins, no duplicates. Even if you have a same name as someone else, I say sorry, my number is unique. I carry your name, date of birth, address, photo, fingerprint, iris scan. Yes, I know you better than your best friend, but listen carefully. I am powerful. Don't share my number with strangers. Don't post me on social media because identity is precious. Remember, your identification is your dignity. Protect your Aadhar, protect yourself. Thank you everyone. Now please check your pockets. Am I safe there? Bye. Call me